Hey everyone, let's talk about teeth today and focus on dental plaque and tartar. There is a very effective remedy for it, a homemade mouthwash. By using this mouthwash, the tartar will reduce, and with regular use, it will permanently disappear. The bacteria in your mouth build their biofilms as a defense against your immune system and antibiotics. You can think of biofilms as tiny calcium-made houses that protect these bacteria. Due to these calcium structures, our immune system fails to detect them, allowing the bacteria to survive for a long time. This phenomenon isn't limited to our bodies. In fact, 95% of bacteria form biofilms outside the body as well. If you visit a river and pick up a stone that feels slippery, that slipperiness is due to the presence of biofilms. You'll find biofilms wherever there's water, such as in your saliva. They thrive on water and sugar for nourishment. An overabundance of these biofilms leads to bad breath, gum infections, bleeding gums, and excessive plaque buildup, requiring a dentist to remove them. However, by regularly using a simple homemade mouthwash, you can easily manage and prevent these issues. The first ingredient for this mouthwash is baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. When biofilms grow in your mouth, the bacteria within them produce excessive acid, lowering your mouth's pH. A pH level below 3.5 is particularly harmful, causing calcium to leach from your teeth and bones into the system. This calcium is then used by the bacteria to strengthen their housing. As a result, your teeth experience a deficiency in calcium, leading to cavities. To combat this, it's crucial to neutralize the pH in your mouth. In a previous video, I mentioned that consuming excessive sugar and fluctuating blood sugar levels also contribute to acidity. By feeding the bacteria their favorite food, sugar, you're creating an ideal environment for them to produce more acid. Baking soda increases the pH, making the environment alkaline, breaking the bacterial colonies, and neutralizing the acids. Interestingly, sodium bicarbonate is naturally found in saliva, making its use virtually free of side effects. Take half a teaspoon of baking soda and mix it with another essential ingredient, 3% hydrogen peroxide. This is the brown solution you can easily find at any pharmacy. It's highly effective in destroying bacterial biofilms and has antifungal properties, especially against candida. What's fascinating is that hydrogen peroxide is also naturally produced in your saliva. Your body's cells use it to kill bacteria. Mix 1/4 to half a teaspoon each of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide in half a cup of water. Use this mixture as a mouthwash after brushing your teeth with regular toothpaste. Keep it in your mouth for 30 seconds before spitting it out. This will prevent tartar buildup, restore your teeth's shine, eliminate bad breath, and make your teeth look normal again. Recently, research has highlighted the role of vitamin K2 in preventing tartar buildup. It works alongside vitamin D3 to prevent decalcification, ensuring calcium stays in your teeth and bones. It moves calcium from soft tissues back to the bones, preventing bacteria from using it to build their biofilms. I'll soon make a detailed video on vitamin K2, so subscribe to stay updated. For bad breath, if you chew gum, opt for one with antibiofilm properties that prevent bacteria from sticking to your teeth. Additionally, you can use clove, oregano oil, or rosemary oil. Rosemary is an herb rarely used here. It has potent antimicrobial properties. Moreover, incorporate turmeric and cinnamon into your diet. These contain a powerful phytonutrient called curcumin, which is extremely beneficial. It protects against diabetic nephropathy and reduces complications from high blood sugar. This is my recommendation for avoiding dental plaque. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Take care. Thank you.